Tropical coral reefs offer divers many amazing experiences with their unique beauty and diversity. By careful observations, you may be rewarded with the opportunity to witness many fascinating things happening in the spectacular underwater community. Let me share with you one of the many observations that has enriched my enjoyment of diving. Here, all alone, is a stationary blue-striped grunt fish. It is more commonly seen in large schools moving around in the reef. So why is it all alone and not moving? It appears for some reason to be attracted to this location of a beautiful large star coral. If you were close and quiet, you may hear this blue-striped grunt actually grunting by grinding its teeth with sound resonated by its swim bladder. Is this to get attention or perhaps expressing an unpleasant sensation? Actually, fish commonly have problems with skin irritations by foreign organisms. With no arms and neck, scratching is not possible, and to do so against corals containing algae, spongy, or poisonous fire corals is a problem. So, what is the solution then? Yes, you probably guessed right. The grunt is waiting for help, and here it is. This showy, feisty guy is just what the doctor ordered. Oh yeah, baby, that's good, so good. Oh, that feels good. Thanks. Let me introduce you to this showy, feisty guy. Don't call it by its common name, fairy basslet. It would, if it could, scream back at you. Call me by my real name, Royal Gramma, please. Also, no need to address my sex, because I can't change sex. How about that? Also, for heaven's sakes, do not call this a cleaner station. How ordinary and demeaning. This is my palace, where royal service is provided. It is a magnificent royal palace with its great star coral visible from far away. Nice colors indeed, but a head like this with a grouchy expression is not exactly conducive to close social interaction, you probably think. Wrong. This guy or lady will hands down win any popularity contest in the big ocean. Look, a substantial number of brown and blue chromies and other fish all go crazy in competition for my attention and royal service. The service by Royal Gramma is all very well appreciated, but can lead to some surprises. Ouch! Watch out, sensitive body parts are not excluded from the operation. The news about the royal service spreads fast in the neighborhood, and soon you may see big schools of chromies race towards the palace.